Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've just chosen this cue card which is about talk about a sports or exercise that you do for fitness. So this is a well known topic, and people's always looking for fitness, but they are unable to basically focus on that particular thing. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So there are multiple fitness exercise, or you can say fitness activities, which I did in my particular lifestyle. And currently, because of having a sedentary lifestyle, I focus basically majorly on doing some sort of activities such as in walking, jogging, running. These three exercise which I do for like maintaining my fitness levels, because nowadays if we are sitting like 5 to 6 hours a day, it will very difficult for like our body to understand like they built to basically work do some sort of activities rather than just sitting, right? So for that I try to at least do 1 hour of walking in the morning and in the evening as well, because that is how I can basically like burn calories. Because if we are not uh, if we are always hitting the food and eating always, so it is very difficult to us to basically maintain a healthy lifestyle. And for that, at least we need to run or walk at least 1 hour a day, because nowadays there is too much of things which you can basically get easily, such as you don't need to walk at least you cannot able to walk nowadays at least 3 to 4 hours, right? So for maintaining such kind of at least minimum bare minimum physical level, we need to at least run or walk 10 kilometer a day, because that is how we can maintain things. So yeah. And for jogging and for walking, there is a lot of healthy benefits, such as our all body parts work in while doing some sort of activities while running. And yeah, I do in a park basically. There is like 5 to 10 minutes away, there is one park where I go to there and do some sort of like walking. And so yeah, in basically summers, it is also benefited us, because that is how we can basically burn lot more calories, right? Because nowadays, because of taking additionally things such as not burning any calories, that is one of the main reason basically why I do jogging. So I think there should be like more need to be speak on this video. And today I just feel like I didn't prepare too much, but in upcoming days I'll definitely prepare prepare that much that I can basically confident enough to basically speak for the topic. And today I feel like there are some words missing, and in the next video I'll try to basically remove my mistakes and going to more focused on the topics. So bye bye, have a good day.